Hi, this is Krista Jarrard with the Center for Systemic Healing, and I like to take advantage of this liminal space, this end of the year time, this really sacred before the new year starts and before the end of the year. And of course, this is a time that our ancestors were aware that this is where they would become still and connect to the natural world, which is not inviting one to be outside at the end of December, but to really just remember and honor the ancestors, invite them in, and have and hold the awareness of those that helped pass life on to you. And that's how we're here. And so, of course, all Indigenous cultures know this is foundational to our being. It's foundational to a healthy and whole life. It's like the practice of gratitude. We practice gratitude to know how it fills us. And so in that way, we want to be in gratitude and in connection to our ancestors right now. The veil is thin when we have this liminal space open up to us. So we have ages and ages of this time that's in the field. It's easy to tap in that way. So you honor yourself. It's a self-care for you to quiet and to be still and just to allow your soul to connect to the voices of the ancestors and how they moved life forward to you. So take a moment, take some time today, tomorrow, so that you have the opportunity to start the new year in a new way, to start the new year. You know, our ancestors want us to thrive. They want us to thrive, just like we wish well for our children or our loved ones or even our pets. That's the natural flow of life. And of course, the work that the constellation does is to restore strength to those energies, but yeah, to those ancestors that are burdened, and thus transforming those burdens to blessings for us, lightening the load, allowing that which is holding you down to become the wind beneath your wings. It is just like that. So I honor you. It's been a courageous movement to move through this past year. We need all our resources moving forward. And I wish you the very best. I wish for you some quiet time before the new year and to enter the new year with open hearts at full loving capacity. So Happy New Year, and look forward to it. Some new things to come. All right. Thank you.